Now this entire month has been about potatoes. Today I bought a bag of red potatoes. Welcome to Kiwis to Pistachio. And I basically have been using russet potatoes. They were on Staters for 3 pounds for $2. So like usual, if you've seen my other videos, we take these 2 potatoes and we're going to be washing them in the sink. Now you've got to be more careful with red potatoes because the skin is thinner. Probably not. The same thing applies whether this is a russet potato or a red potato. You have to poke it with a fork on both sides if you're going to be cooking it in the microwave. If you're not cooking in the microwave, you can probably get away with this on one side in the oven. If you were to cook this in the oven, it would take you approximately an hour to an hour and a half, and you'd have to check. And it'd be easy. You would just use this implemental fork. You'd stick it in. If it came out nice and smooth, it's ready. But today we're microwaving this 2 potatoes, and later on we're going to combine them with these frozen vegetables. Here are the potatoes. Close the door, and we press the 5 Express, and they're on their way. Alright, so the next thing we need to do is we need a fork. Fork is the perfect implement to figure out whether the potatoes are ready. Can you see how it slides right in there? And that's how you know these are ready. These are flash frozen vegetables. I'm adding petite diced tomatoes with Italian style basil, garlic, and oregano from Stater Brothers. Yes, it's definitely a shortcut. Anyway. It smells delicious. I'm just going to mix it in here. Going to warm this back up in our microwave. And then after that, we're going to put both of these, the tomatoes and this together on a plate. And I'll show you how I dress up the potato. So what I did is I cut the top of this one and I scored the inside so that when I put in the hummus on, it will give it more a chance to fall in the potato. And this one, I just simply opened it up and I'm going to score it right now. Now this is Tribe, is the company, Mediterranean style hummus. No artificial preservatives, no GMO. Now this does appear to have some oil. Just take a little bit and you put it on your potato, and I like to mash it in there so the flavor gets in the potato. Same thing, top of the other potato, and if you want it, you could actually serve it this way. Next I take a scoop from the bowl I talked to you about, flash frozen vegetables in the petite diced tomatoes with an Italian flair. Now, of course, later on when I open the potatoes will absorb the Italian broth, and it will be just that much better. So far, this is dinner. Delicious vegetables, no oil, no salt, red potatoes with a little bit of hummus. This is the last potato video for this month in January. The entire month I've focused on potatoes and of putting different toppings on them and attaching them with fresh vegetables or salad or something that's healthy. In the future months I'm going to be coming out with more complicated dishes, but sometimes it's just nice to have something that's quick and simple that you can have when you come home from work or you come home from school, or you just want to have a delicious snack when you're at home. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoy it. Come back for more videos. Hi, this is Gary. Click the circle on my face to subscribe, or click the upper box on your right side of your screen to check my expanded playlist. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up if you like this video.